Today at Beth's Keto Kitchen, we're making a delicious keto lasagna using palmini for our noodle replacement. Join me and my grandson in the kitchen and let's get cooking. My daughter picked up these noodles at Walmart. They are 4 total carbs or 2 net carbs per serving with 3 servings per container. I'm adding a little garlic powder to some boiling water and I will boil the noodles for 10 minutes and then I'll drain them. Now let's get started on the ricotta. Put in 8 ounces of ricotta cheese, a teaspoon of parsley, a 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 egg. Then we'll mix that and set it aside while we prepare our hamburger. Brown 1 pound ground beef, add salt, pepper, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a 1/2 cup of diced onions. I got a helper in the kitchen. After the ground beef is cooked, drain it, add a teaspoon of garlic paste, and I'm using the Specialty Select marinara sauce from Aldi. It is 4 net carbs for a 1/2 cup. I will use part of a whole jar and just leave a little bit to line the bottom of the pan. And just note that I'm using a 7x10 pan. All right, so we're gonna put the lasagna together. I'm just gonna take the remaining sauce that was in the bottom of the jar, and Colton, can you spread that around, please? Just get it in the corners over here too.
Yep.
Perfect. All right. So we boiled the palmini noodles for about 10 minutes. This is what they look like. That's good, Colton. Let's go ahead and put the noodles down. So we're just gonna layer the noodles in a single row. If you wanna help me.
Yep.
Okay, I'll grab a couple and you do a couple. Perfect. Perfect. Grandma, grab a couple more.
I'm gonna have to rip a little.
That's fine, you can overlap it there. That's fine. If you want to overlap it a little, that's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. Yep, perfect. Okay, Colton, do you want to take the meat sauce here and spoon a little more meat sauce on?
Yep.
Here, let's move this closer.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. So spoon some on there.
It kind of getting messed up.
It's kind of getting a little messed up, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know what? I think I have an idea. All right, so now I'm going to take our ricotta mixture and put that down. And so we're going to smooth that on there, Colton. Do you want to use the back of the spoon to smooth it? Just kind of like that, but I got to get more dollops on there. So I'll just hold on until I get the rest of it on there, okay? I want to put all the ricotta on this layer, so hold on. So I'm going to put all the ricotta on this layer. Just got a little bit more. And then you get that all spread around nice and even, okay?
Hey.
Okay, Colton's going to work on getting that spread around.
What if it doesn't really
Oh, you got it. It's going to work.
What if it doesn't cover up the whole entire base?
You can make it work. When you're done, Grandma can work on it. If you're having trouble. Why don't you let me help just a little bit? Okay.
What will taste good with that?
It's cheese.
That's cheese?
It's cheese.
That's this cheese?
No, it's not that cheese. Add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. And then we'll layer more palmini noodles. And I decided to overlap these just a little bit more to have a thicker noodle texture. Now I'm going to take smoked Gouda cheese and I will add 4 slices of smoked Gouda on top of the noodles. And just a reminder, I'm using this small 7x10 pan, not a 9x13. Now add more sauce on top of that and spread around. We'll sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese on top of that and add another cup of mozzarella cheese on top. Cover with foil. We'll bake in a 350-degree oven covered for 30 minutes. Then increase your temperature to 375 and bake another 20 minutes or until warm, hot, and bubbly. Let your lasagna cool on the counter for 5 to 10 minutes to set before slicing. And this slices just like a traditional lasagna. We'll dish it up. Doesn't that look delicious? And I have to say, it's not pasta. However, it is very good. It is probably my favorite way to make lasagna. I don't like the way I feel when I eat pasta. So this is a great alternative. Heat it up the second day. It's even better, you guys. I promise you. So if you're enjoying these recipes, please subscribe, like, and be sure and press the notification bell so you're aware of each time I upload a new recipe. And as always, I'll be sure and list the recipe in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching.